Hi everyone. Uh, wish you a happy Diwali. Uh, Today the topic is Windows Server 2K25. There are a lot of new feature has been announced by Microsoft, so that we are going to be discussed today. I hope you are doing well. So after a long time, I'm creating this video because I got comment from my viewers that they wanted to know the what is the new features are there in the Windows Server 2K25, and I could say I just gone through with these features. It was like amazing features. There are a lot of features which I was not expected at least. So that was enhanced in the Windows Server 2K25. So let's start what are the features are there and how it helps us a system administrator to ease our task. And not only the features, but also there are some security enhancement and reliability is there, so that will definitely help us to work on Windows Server 2K25. I think it will be the one of the the way we did the Windows 2012 R2, right? It's a longer, years of work done. We spend on time on Windows 2K12 R2, right? So same way probably Windows 2K25 also going to be happen. It is not only the features, but there are the many more things are there in this. So we will discuss one by one. So stay tuned. Okay, let's start. What are the Windows Server new features in Windows Server 2K25? As I told, this is the preview version, not the confirmed version of the Windows Server 2K25. So if you're planned for to install in the Windows production environment or any staging, so don't do that, because this, I mean, from Microsoft side there is no warranty. So if you see this important notes that Microsoft make no warranty, because it's not a confirmed version release, it's just a preview. So you can just explore, install and explore this one, what are the new features, what are the new enhancement happen, and you can test, you can install in a testing environment, or say called lab environment. You can do that, but not the production or UAT environment. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm very excited to know, to explore, even though I'm telling, even though I gone through it, there are the features which I never expected it. Like for example, like Active Directory domain service, you can believe it, there are so many things been enhanced in Active Directory domain services. I don't want to be explained in this video everything. We just go one by one, titles or topic, and then we will explore these things in the practical in the sense, what, see, if I explain here and willing to tell, right? So probably you cannot remember those things. Even though if you remember, if you look at here, I'm not preparing the PPT. The reason why I'm not prepare the PPT, because in the PPT I cannot put it all these things in the slide, right? So there may be some title and I will explain it, so that will be not clear your things up. So in that case, so it is better that I just I just put it this link to a description. You can go through with it. Also here I will explain one by one. We will not miss out anything, right? Because I saw some videos people have made that, but there is something they missed it. They didn't put it, but as per this article, whatever things are there, that we will go one by one and do the practical in the sense, we have created the lab environment. We will install the Windows 2K25, and we will install all the feature, and whatever the things are there, that we will do one by one practical. So in that way, it will be very easy to remember, and it will definitely will be a good content uh, for this video. Okay, please stay tuned. So let's first start it, right? Active Directory having the lot of features been enhanced, like 32K database page size optional feature for the database engine, I mean extendable storage engine, that is called Active Directory database. Actually, we will explore more on this, we will discuss more on this probably next video, once we install the Windows 2K25. Okay, so, and another feature for the Windows Active Directory domain services, it is schema update. So I think there are three new files has been introduced as LDAP files. So that we will discuss, and AD object refer, how we'll do that, and object and channel binding audit report. Probably these two new events been, on they have it will generate if something changes is done. It will identify to the administrator probably. Okay, DC location algorithm improvements. I mean, DC locator services, you might be heard about it, and we will go through with one by one. No worries on that, but just I'm taking you through just in the titles. Okay, forest and domain functional level also change. You might be saw that if it is Windows 2012 R2, the highest functional level will be Windows 2012 R2. If it is 19, highest functional 19. So in that case, the level is changed to domain level 10 or forest level 10. So this kind of now, so there is no server based on the server version, the domain name and domain and forest functional levels were decided, right? So now it's like domain level 10 and forest level 10. This is the new feature actually that also we will explore on that point. Okay. Okay, and what else? Improved algorithm from the name and a side lookup. Okay, improved security, confidential attributes, improved security, default machine account password. Okay, Kerberos PKI support for the cryptography, agility, LAN, so GPU setting. Okay, LDAP encrypt by default. LDAP support, okay, 1.3. That's fine. This is good. This is a security point of view that TLS, it was the latest version 1.3 will be support. Okay, legacy SAM RPC password change behavior, NUM support, performance counter. Okay, what is the performance counter? Okay, we will look into it one by one. Okay, replication priority order. Okay, that also we need to go. That's fine. Okay, and the next, so these are the enhancement done for the Active Directory domain services. But yes, not only this, but we have on and on, and like we have a lot of things been enhanced, like Azure ARC. This we'll discuss. I mean, uh, if you have the Azure environment and that is integrated with on-premises, and I mean, so in that case, there are a lot of features been there on the Windows 2K25 that we can check it out. And block cloning support, Bluetooth. Okay, this will support headset, keyboard, mic, everything. Still God. Okay, this is completely new feature that we will explore. Desktop shell, delegated managed service account. It was new actually. We heard about the managed service account or service account, but delegated managed service account we don't know. Okay, this is actually a type account and our migration from service account to delegated. Okay, that's a good feature. Depth drive is storage volume, that is DRAS is kind of history of, I mean, real time performance you can capture, so it will definitely help you to troubleshoot your issues. Email accounts, you can the following account setting. Okay, email account Windows of 25. Intra ID. Intra ID is nothing but Intra ID is Azure Active Directory formerly, but now it has been changed to Microsoft Intra ID. It's Azure Active Directory formerly. Okay. Feedback, how file completion, hyper manager something in an enhanced hyper enforced tagging translation, NVMe, open SS is there already, then why it is okay. Earlier it was there, but okay, open SS server side, it's installed by default, so no need to install it. By default will come back. Okay, installed by default. So pinned apps, okay, there are certain apps that will be pinned your start menu, remote access. This is there, the feature was there, but what are the enhancement we need to be checked that. Okay. Maybe it is running on Windows 19 except the PPTP and L2TP connection after upgrading to Windows 25 using, and in place of that L2TP and PPTP based connection are still accepted. This change doesn't affect the Windows client. We'll learn more about it. Okay, we will learn definitely. Okay, secure certificate management, secure baseline, your measures. Okay, server message block. Okay, what else? What else? Is there a lot of things are the storage replica, enhanced log, task manager, virtualization based security, VMBS key protection. Right, it's now easier to enable wireless capability. Okay, Windows container portability, Windows Insider program, local LAPS is already there. Computer, it automatically generating the password for each computer. Can't store them, to update them. This has to be security. Okay, okay. Hmm. If you set the latest update, all I did is create the manage local with areas. This automatic account management feature. Let's see that new image rollback detection feature. Hmm. Passphrase feature. Okay, there are a lot of things, guys. Improve the reliability, password dictionary, post authentication, Windows terminal. Okay, powerful, efficient, multi-shell. Okay, it's fine. vNext. Okay. Okay, see, these are the features we will going to be discussed. Please stay tuned with me. So we will explore one by one. Definitely it will be a very good content for you, and it will really help you as a being a Windows system administrator or the Active Directory point of view, whatever environment you are working on the Windows platform. Definitely it will help you, because in near future and maybe 1 year we will going to use Windows over 2K25. So before that we have to be hands-on experience on this. So that's what I will take you through my lab, and we will shadow everything and we will explore one by one. Thank you for watching this video, and if you think that this is a very good content for you and it will benefit for you, then please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.